Good morning students. Today again we are here with chapter 4, The Internet and Introduction part 2. In our previous video we have discussed what is internet, advantage of internet, disadvantage of internet, like that. So student, let us give a short revision of that. What is internet? I hope you remember the internet is a global network of billions of computers and other electronic devices. Now, advantages of internet. With the help of internet, we can do online shopping, online bill payment, online games, we can play music, we can listen songs, so many things. And what are the disadvantages of internet? Virus can easily spread to our computer if our computer is connected to the internet. Now let's start with a new topic, basic terminology related to the internet. Some basic terminologies are web browser, web pages, home pages, website. These are the basic terminology. First we will start from web browser. A web browser is the application software which enables the user to interact with text, videos, music and other information present on the internet. Means if you don't have any web browser, you can't open internet. If you want to open internet, if you want to open any site, you must have a web browser. Some popular web browsers are Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox and Opera Mini. Students, you can see here in the image, this is the logo of Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini, and this is our Internet Explorer. With the help of this software, you can open internet. So these softwares are known as web browser. Student, next one is website. Website is a location on the web and is hosted on a web server. It is a set of related web pages. A website is accessed using its internet address. That address is known as URL, and URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Again I am repeating, URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. A website is made up of related text, images and other resources. Students, website can resemble other forms of media like newspaper, articles or television programs also. The purpose of the website can be almost anything: a news platform, an online library or an educational sites also. So website is a collection of web and is hosted on a web server. Next is web page. A web page is a document available on the World Wide Web, www. Web pages are stored on web server and can be viewed using a web browser. A web page can contain huge information including text, graphic, audio, video and hyperlinks also. Next is home page. Home page is the first page of a website. If you will open any website, then home page is the first page of the website. It contains links and buttons for the information available on the website. You can see here in this image Google. It is written Google. Google is also a search engine. Whatever you want, you can search here. Only just you have to type here in this box. Here one box is there. You have to type your text here. Whatever you want to search, you may search from here. Here it is written Google search. You may click here. It will search. This is the home page of Google. Student, I tell you that Google is a search engine. Then what is a search engine? Search engine refers to a huge database of internet resources as a web pages, news groups, programs, images, etc. For instance, if you search for basic of computer on the Google, it means on that previous page I told you that you can search anything in the search engine. Means student, if you want to know about computer, just you have to type basic of computer, then it searches information and display the result in the second also. I will show you practically also. Just wait. Now students, I will tell you how to open a web page or how you can search anything from the search engine. Student, just see. This is our computer window. I will show you how to open a web browser. You can see here I have Internet Explorer here. Just go and click. I have one more web browser software, that is Opera. That I have Firefox also, Mozilla Firefox. But here you can see this is logo of Mozilla Firefox. Here I have Internet Explorer. I will use this software. You have to click here. You can see this page will open. Then you have to type URL, means Uniform Resource Locator, means address of the website. I will just type here Google. You can see Google is here. This is our first page. Now I have told you what you want to search. You may search from here. So I want to know about computer, basics of computer. I am going to search that. Just type here in this box. Students, I have typed here basic of computer. Then click on this search button here. You can see so many information came here related to the computer, basics of computer. Not only computer, if you want to search in your other subjects about your science, about your SST, whatever you want, you can search here. Now I am going to search here about parts of plant. You can see here parts of plant will come. Just wait. Parts of plant. You can see parts of plants come to here. Means whatever information you want to know, you may search from here and you will get the answer. But students, before using internet, you must know internet safety tips or internet safety rules. Students, did you remember when you are in second standard, your teacher taught you road safety rules? Now today I will teach you internet safety rules or internet safety tips. Students, before using internet, you should know internet safety rules. First, don't give out your personal information without your parents' permission. Means if you want to give your name, your address like this, first you have to take permission from your parents. Next, don't share your password with anyone but your parents. Means if you have any type of social networking site account or anything, you must have your password and you share your password with your parents also. Using a public computer, make sure you log out the account you have accessed. Next, don't buy anything online without talking to your parents. It means just you have seen ad of anything and you buy that. That is not good. If you want to buy that things, you should ask to your parents first. Means talk to your elders about safe and accurate website. They will tell you which website you should use. Student, I hope you understand this video. Thank you and have a nice day.